Hi everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to create this beautiful door hanging on which I have created the beautiful Ganesha and the background. This hanging is made with the lots of techniques, and I have created two hangings. One is for Shubh and other is for love. So without any delay, let's get started. So first I'm starting with making the Ganesha. So here I have pre-cut some dies using this My Friend Ganesha die by Dress My Craft, and you will get these cutouts after cutting from white cardstock, and for crown I have used golden cardstock. Now I am taking my watercolor palette and I will color the base and other parts. So for the base I am using flesh tint color, which is a body color. Also I will color stomach, face using same flesh tint. Then for the dhoti I am using dark pink color. Like this, allow it to dry. So it's dried. Here on the top portion of the base I have colored with red water shade, so that when we will connect the golden crown, the red background will look nice. Now I will start assembling all the parts. So first I am connecting dhoti and stomach portion. Then to give little dimension to the face, I am adding some foam squares on backside of the face. You can also use double-sided foam tape and just cut the small pieces like this. It will give little dimension to the face. Now just removing the liner and connecting like this. Similarly on the crown I am adding double-sided foam tape and connecting on top of the face, and this is done. Now I am making some features like eyes and tilak using black and red color marker. And the cute Ganesha is ready. It's looking super cute. Now I'm starting with the hanging. So I have cut two mount board circle pieces. This mount board is having 10 cm diameter and this is having 7 cm diameter. And with the same size I have cut white color cardstock for both the mount board pieces. So I'm just covering mount board pieces circles with these white cardstock circles. White cardstock is having 250 GSM thickness. If you don't find mount board, you can also use thick cardboard. Similarly, I am covering the small circle. And the base for hanging is ready. Now here I am taking the beautiful mandala stencil and just putting the stencil on top of the circle base, and using textured paste I am just applying paste on top of the stencil using palette knife. Now just remove the stencil slowly and see how beautiful the pattern is looking. Allow it to dry completely. Similarly, I will add pattern on small circle. So it's completely dried. Now I will start coloring it with light blue and dark blue color. I'm just doing little shading here, and I'm using chalk paint. If you don't have chalk paint, you can also use acrylic colors. Like this. So it's dried. Now I'm taking metallic gold wax, and using my fingers I'm just applying little wax on the raised part, that is textured part, and it will enhance the beauty of our stencil design. See how beautiful and pretty it is looking. If you don't have wax, you can also use a dry brushing technique using golden acrylic color. Similarly, I have created the small circle using stencil and colors, and now I am applying golden wax on this as well. Now I am just covering the edge of the circle using this beautiful die cutout, which I cut from gold mirror cardstock. If you don't have this kind of die, you can just use golden stones or golden half pearls to decorate the edge of the circle, like this. So here I have just stuck the Ganesha which we have created on the big circle, and similarly I have decorated the edge of small circle using golden dye, and now I am going to stick swastik and Shubh cutout on this. If you don't have these kind of cutouts, you can just use your golden acrylic color and draw the design directly on the base. So this is done. Now we will connect these panels. So first I am taking the small panel and exactly in the center line on the bottom and on the top I am just poking the hole like this. Then here I have this seed bead bunch hanging which you will get easily from any craft store, and then I'm just passing some pearl through this to create the hanging. First I'm passing this beautiful dome, golden color dome through this. You can also use quilling dome for this purpose, and then I'm adding some pearls. Then here I am using this metal lock and passing through the thread. Then pass your thread through this bottom hole, and then using the plier just pinch this lock and secure all the pearls. And from back side I am using my B6000 glue and securing the thread. Now just to hide the thread I am just adding golden colored circle cutout and sticking on top of this for the finishing. So this is done. Now I'm taking my big panel, and here I am taking this gear wire which is a metal wire and it is meant to create the jewelry work. It's quite sturdy, so I have just doubled it, and I have also poked the hole on top and bottom just like we created for the small panel. Now I am passing the wire through the hole. Just level up the ends of wire like this. Now I am passing again the metal lock through this, and then again tightening it using the plier. And after that I am passing some pearls. Then again adding metal lock. Then take your small panel, pass both the wires through this top hole. Then again I am passing these wires from front through the lock and through some pearls. Just pull it very tight. It should not be very loose like this, but it should be pliable. Now I am just securing the lock here by tightening it, and now you can just cut the excess wire from here, and this is done. Now I'm just attaching the top ring. So again taking the same gear wire, passing through the top hole. then passing one pearl and then lock through this. Then passing through one hanging ring. Then again take out the wire from lock and pearl again and again pull it like this. Secure the lock from top and cut the excess wire. And the hanging is ready. Very pretty. In the same way, I have created one more hanging with the same procedure. Just the word I have used is love. So one is Shubh and other is love. So you can hang these hangings on left and right sides of the door to decorate. So it's looking very attractive and I'm sure you will try it very soon. That's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.